Welcome to the installation video for the Vector Technics propulsion system. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step installation of the 2806 SL motor. Use only the recommended M3 by 8mm mounting screws. Insert all screws loosely before tightening. Secure the 2806 SL motor and align the PCD. And in a crisscross pattern, fasten the screws to the final torque of 1 Nm. Ensure all mounting hardware is correctly installed before proceeding. Place the 7-inch propeller onto the motor mount. Ensure the propeller sits correctly. Use only the recommended M5 flanged nylock propeller mounting nut. Begin tightening. No gaps should be visible between the mating surfaces. Perform a final inspection. The propeller should be secure, correctly aligned and free from movement or wobble. With that, your motor and propeller assembly is complete. Safe, secure and precise. That's Vector Technics.